back to SeaWorld for the opening day of the SeaWorld Spooktacular. Of course I'd get here when the rain comes. As I walk in, we have lightning within 5 miles, so no rides. Outdoor rides anyway. Well, after that one, I guess. Here's the start of the trail. Maybe trim that bush in front of the hashtag. Hey, that's way better. So I'm back the very next week. That's why my video has been delayed, because I missed a bunch of things. So you'll be seeing it go from rainy to sunny, that's why. Okay, so really this is the start of the trail, but you know, you get the idea. This is supposed to be where you meet a real mermaid.
You already have one there.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Doing well. I missed you guys on opening day. It was a little more wet.
Yes. The rain decided to follow us from the ocean out this way.
Yeah, I mean, you two should be used to being wet, but like, you know.
We like salt water, not fresh water.
Yeah.
The water falling just shrinks us down. So yeah, we like to keep that salt water going.
As I heard somebody say recently, the sky was crying.
Yes.
Does that often around here?
Yes. Never heard someone say that before until recently. I'm like, huh. I don't know. Yeah, never thought of that before. Although it's not salty rain, so.
No. Mine are salty when it does it, but yeah. That was
All right, well, have a great day.
Thank you so much. See you around.
At this time, the operation of our roller coasters and water rides has been suspended due to lightning in the air.
Great.
Show operations may be modified.
So once again, the candy corn umbrellas and the candy corn banners are out. Now last year there was a booth over here. I guess they changed it up every year, which, you know, that's cool. Lots of spiders here. Well, we'll see. So what's the name of your ship?
Oh, this ship? This be my ship.
Ah.
It's the USS My Ship.
Oh.
My ship.
That's a great
Not
name.
your ship. My ship.
Looks
And
like
I
it's
be
in-
Redbeard. Please be making your acquaintance.
Ah.
It's growing in, I promise. It'll be here any day now. It's still forming. And who are you?
I am Dave.
What?
Dave.
That's a horrible pirate name.
Sorry.
We have to think of a better pirate name for you. All right. Pick a part of your face that you like.
Oh, I don't like any of it. But,
Pick a part you don't like then.
I'm gonna go with the ears.
Ears and pick a color.
Purple.
Purple Ears, the pirates. Aye. Welcome to the crew, Purple Ears.
Thank you. I assume this is all in ship shape.
No, it's actually in a very poor condition. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a spider on it.
Oh,
And,
wow. Where did that
not
come
going
from?
anywhere. I've tried everything. I've asked politely. I've asked impolitely. Nothing. It's
Wow.
not going nowhere.
Well, now that you have 2 people on your crew, maybe we'll have better luck.
It takes up a lot of room. I can't get to the sleeping quarters.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted. So tired.
I see the problem here. Yeah.
I mean, this floor, it's not the most comfortable for sleeping.
No.
What? Are you on the
It also has
Spiders team? You're on the Spiders team? Is that why you have a spider? Could you tell him to leave? In spider talk? No? So you can't help me at all? No? That's all right. I'll figure it out.
Not even Spider-Man can help him.
I just want him gone so bad.
Yeah.
Oh well.
All right. Well, I'll go try to get some more help.
All right. Good riddance.
So, unlike last year, I did remember my reusable bag, so I don't have to buy another one. I'm an idiot, but I still get some things right. Now I just have to wait in this really long line. You know, theme park life.
Are you ready?
Thank you. Someone told me, let me see your Tootsie Roll. There you go. You can see my Tootsie Rolls. I have to be careful. Last time I ate a Tootsie Roll, I pulled out my crown. It cost me $200. Window coverings. Look, Smarties and Haribo. Awesome. Here's our next station. Awesome.
Ready?
There we go. It worked. It's a little hidden, but I found it with help.
Hey, can you go out and can you cover? So, okay.
So here we go. I'm going to get smarter with Smarties.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very nice. Now, hopefully, it won't rain all night for Hollow Scream. Of course, it will. Well, and they said that they're shutting down for rain, but this one's still going for now.
All right, you ready?
I'm gonna try it, but now I got several things in the
There
way.
you go. That should work. Ready? Woo!
Yay! And here's our next station. This is potato chips.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh,
Ah.
it's okay.
Ooh, I love it when everyone blocks the passageway to the theme park because it rained and they didn't remember an umbrella. I love that. Think we're gonna... Okay. So this is a place where there is a show here several times a day for the Spooktacular. They had it last year.
Fighting was the solution to this problem. And on this front of the book, you can see Penelope. Does she look a little bit like some other fish around? Yeah, we'll get back to that later. I'll go and check it out, said Penelope. And that's exactly what Penelope did. She flapped her pumpkin fins and swam towards that dark cave. Can we all swim again? Oh, the pumpkin fish. And the six-legged clawed monster scooted out of his cave and said, "Oh, hello, my name is Scooter, the spider crab." Spider crab, thought Penelope. Why, that isn't a monster at all. It's just a normal undersea animal. Scooter, the spider crab, waved his claws to Penelope. Can everyone wave hello? And Penelope waved her fin back. Oh, she's waving back to you. Why did you steal the princess's crowns? Penelope wanted to know. I didn't, said Scooter. It fell off her head, and when she said eek and ran away, I left it down in the hole because it is so delicate I'm afraid my pincers will break it.
Over here we have a fabulous photo op.
Hello there.
Wanted to wait till there weren't any kids here so you can get everyone's kid in the photo or the video. Didn't see this last time because it was raining.
Yes, well, you got to make sure to come stop by our kitchen. We've got tons of food.
Ooh, I like that.
We make sure to put all the trick-or-treating candy right inside our cauldron. That's why there's so many stations.
Oh, well, thank you for the candy.
Make sure we're the candy witches, we're the good witches.
Ah,
Make sure you all see they got some candy, don't you?
yeah. Hey, I'm sure you got that. Sure you haven't gotten that all day. Shooting some video here for, well, it was the opening day video, but since there was so much rain and I missed all these great interactions, I'm like,
We needed the rain for the candy corn to grow.
of course.
So, the candy corn. And also all the trick-or-treaters, they need candy.
Yes.
And we love corn. Candy
Well,
corn's
absolutely.
my favorite. Right next to lollipops because they're on a stick like me.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
So, make sure you get some candy corn.
I will.
Lots and lots of candy corn. And if you can't find candy corn, then lollipops will have to do.
Sure.
Have fun. Happy Spooktacular.
Happy
Bye,
Spectacular
friends.
to you. All right, moving on to more Spooktacular candy. This one just is candy.
There you
All right, cool.
got it. Don't get it wet.
Over here we got Sweet Tart Chews. That's what I choose to get over here. It's always tricky to do, especially now with an umbrella. But we will line it up. There we go. Here we have Sweet as Fish.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween to you as well. This looks pretty cool with all the trees and pumpkins. And, ooh, they're purple too. More Tootsie products. This is now Tootsie Pops. And let's see how this works. And 3, 2, 1, deploy. There we go. And over here we have another cute photo op for kids.
Hello there.
Oh, I'm making a supplement video since my opening day video got rained out. And I missed all these.
We did get quite a bit of rain that day, but it seems to be nice blue skies and sunshine for today, which is very nice. So it's lovely to have you here with us.
Oh, well, thank you. It's, I definitely wanted to come back for all these great interactions.
Of course. You have to see all of our friends throughout the day. We've got lots of different friends coming in and out at all different locations all around Spooktacular.
Sounds spooktastic.
Of course.
Easy for me to say. Ah, fire off the starburst forward side. I screwed that joke up. Starbursts, like starboard, like a ship, right? That doesn't really work. But I tried. Very little. I tried that. It's very fall around here. And it's not finished yet because we have lollipops. What kind of lollipops? I don't know, it just says lollipops, man. Lollipop, lollipop. Let me just line this up. Let's see if we can. This one's going to be a little tricky. Ah, we got it. I'm asking because I'm just curious. Are sunflowers part of fall? I honestly don't know. It just seems like that would be a spring thing, but maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe they grow in spring and they're fully bloomed by fall. I don't know. Another cool looking prop here. Why I'm walking backwards, I don't know. Oh, we've got some arrowheads here. I know a few of those. At this point, it should be easy to line it up. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, awesome. Thank you very much. Love the costume, by the way.
You know,
Video.
chilling out, maxing and relaxing on pool. Shooting some b-ball outside. With a couple of guys who were up to no good. Hey. Oh, no, you didn't. One little fight, my mom got scared and said, you're moving with your ass and Uncle. Y'all giddy up. Come on, SeaWorld. When it came here, the license plate was directly to dice. Right. If anything, I could say this character's fair, but I thought, nah, forget it. Hey. Somebody boogie to the beat now. Let me see you, hey. Somebody boogie to the beat now. Come on, that's the Prince of Bel-Air. Yeah, that's it, party people breaking it down and feeling good all day long around here. If you like having fun, well, you found the right spot, man. Those of you that are not having fun, well, hey, come join us. I want you to have some fun too, okay? Those of you that have decided you're not going to have fun for the rest of the day, no matter what, please feel free to find the exit. Thank you. I'm just saying, guys, we want all the happy people out here, man. Feeling good. Come on. Make it look right. Just stay around. You believe in magic. Close those big eyes. I think of the wonderful thoughts that rise and then if you dream it, you're shy. Don't throw me over the treetops tonight. The beauty fire, baby, you'll see the magic's in you. The magic's in you.
That concludes the candy trail portion of the SeaWorld Spooktacular. Over here is a little craft area where you can decorate cookies. So the reason why the tables are out is because I'm here late enough that they were closing. So over here is a pretty cool photo op. Wow, these are only $15. I mean, I know they're kid size, but they're usually a lot more expensive even for kid size. But these are so cute. Pump for candy. Candy is awesome. For two for $20. Other cool stuff. All right. So this is not $30. No, it's $29.99. These are cute. They are Halloween lanterns. Different designs. As you see, there's a little pull tab there, so it does light up. So yeah, there's only an on-off switch, and I do not see a price. So, sorry for that. $29.99. I think this goes on your table. I don't know. I'm not all fancy and domestic like that. Something we saw for Howl-O-Scream. Same item, different theming, obviously. These are cool. $24.99. An apron. Pretty cool trick-or-treat sign. Not from Trick-or-Treat Studios. There's a combination, I've said this before, for $20, a $30 value. You got this cute bucket for candy and this shirt, which I believe is a new design this year. Little characters. Got some towels, $13.99. Rich's broth. If it gets too scary, you can always grab your blankie. This is a candy corn blanket. What? Who told you I was grabbing a blanket all night? That's not true. This is in the spirit of a jersey, but it's not a spirit jersey. It is cute though. But because it's only in the spirit of a spirit jersey, it is $39.99. Much more reasonable. Yeah, I know. You're gonna just go ahead and put it in the comment section now. Just go ahead and do it. Fine. Here's the adult-sized version of the kid shirt, which is only $20. So it's a really good price. Check out these cute little bubble wands. They're $19.99 and they're purple. $4.99 for these cute little sticker sheets. So you buy the bucket, buy the stickers, and kind of customize it, although there's not that many stickers available, so kind of limited. But of course I'm gonna go for the purple one. Well, if I was gonna buy one, I'm not gonna buy one, but they are cute. They've got new designs this year for the reusable bags. $3.99 for that. One of these cauldrons, or one of these buckets, that is how you will get candy for the Spooktacular. Over in Sesame Street, there are a few items here for Halloween. Not a whole lot, but the count, of course, is always here. But sure, vampires, Halloween. It's a really itty bitty shirt. Cute though. Yes, we all do, Cookie Monster. We all do. $14.99 for these mugs. They're cute. I like them except for Elmo. If there was another character, I would like it. Elmo ears, eyes. Again, this would be a lot better if it was any other character but Elmo. Same for this. This is, ooh, $29.99. That's kind of expensive for that tiny little shirt. Especially since we saw that other shirt for a lot less. Ooh, $26.99 for this shirt, but Trick or Treat Smell My Feet. Like it. For $36.99, there's Yip Yip Boo. Yip 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 Yip. Kind of have to be old enough to know what that is. I do. Like this. Oh, is this a Blinky cup? I like these. These are not so much a Blinky cup, more of a flickery cup, but it is really cute. I do like it, and I don't see a price. $27.99. Looks like SeaWorld is getting in on this whole mystery thing. 2 pins. Which will they be? I don't know. You don't know. It's one of those.